Morning clouds are gathering around as I stand on the bridge of the river. Years have gone since I was here, and I'm wondering how I differ. Taxi cabs keep rolling by, and a blind man asks for a change. And here I stand, a soldier in the rain. Coming home was all I thought of, seeing my family and friends. They say love knows no distance, but the lonely never ends. And all along these dreams that possessed my heart never were to play. And here I stand, a soldier in the rain. I remember years ago, I had so many plans, and now I watch the river flow that was brought me here with empty hands. I had so many plans, and now I watch the river flow. Time has brought me here with empty hands. Morning clouds are gathering around, and the streets are full of reflection. A traffic light and the moon still bright, people going in different directions. I've thought about why I'm here, it's just too hard to explain. So here I stand, a soldier in the rain.